everyone, thank you for dropping by. I've got something special for you guys, a walk along the beautiful Union Canal in Edinburgh. I'm excited to share this adventure, so come with me. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more upcoming explorations. Back in 1822, this historic waterway was used to transport coal from Falkirk to Edinburgh. The Union Canal was a big deal for moving things between Falkirk and Edinburgh. But then, trains became more popular, and the canal was kinda forgotten now. It's like walking through a cool story from the past. As we walk, notice the wide and flat paths, perfect for everyone, including wheelchair users and parents with strollers. And trust me, the views is absolutely stunning. Oh, and guess what? I went on a rainy day, but it was still fun. Nature looked different with raindrops, and I really enjoyed it. My favorite parts, walking by the water near the canal, is spotting lots of ducks. And you can even go all the way to Falkirk or Glasgow for a big adventure. Friends, if you ever visit Edinburgh, make sure to visit the Union Canal, especially in the summer. It's lovely and totally worth checking out. Give it a visit. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, join our little community, and let's keep the adventure going together. Feel free to leave a comment about your favorite part. And don't forget to enjoy the rest of the video. Until next time.